contact lens with a strong sense of mixed race first. Choose a hydrated and light makeup, press and absorb it on the face before makeup, and choose the one that feels soft to the touch. Strong concealer pastes evenly on the face. Setting spray wet puff. Then pat the paste evenly. Apply brightening concealer to your hands. Puff small amount. Take the powder and gently press it on the face to brighten less. Measure the concealer to cover the tear furrows and apply the blush cream to the... Take the powder with a puff and press it on the cheekbones. Apply a little bit to the middle of the nose and the bridge of the nose, pinch the puff and pat it open in place. Wet the puff first with the setting spray and press the setting on the whole face. Spray once don't. Learn from me. After the expression spray dries, press and set the makeup with the powder. Nose and eyes must be carefully pressed. In part, use a machete eyebrow pencil to draw the root effect along the hair flow. Zoom in to see the effect is very natural with the eye. Shadow. Fill in the gap between the eyebrows with this one on the plate. Eyebrow paste to even out the overall color. Now draw a big V in the position of the seagull line along the shape of the nose. Draw. 8. Take the fishmeal to the location of the roots and eye sockets. And smudged on both sides of the bridge of the nose. The shadow of the deep eye socket brings the end of the eye to reduce swelling and exceed. Shading turning point. Want light height? Light to brighten the nose and bridge of the nose, and also bring the eyes and eyebrow bones. To overall brightening of the middle triangle and nasal base. Take the corner of your mouth and use this. Give the eyelids a base as a whole. The lower eyeshadow should also be brought to all. The two blends deepen close to the root of the eyelashes. The roots are so smudged up that there is no clear dividing line. Patience. The lower eyeshadow is also all smudged in place. Use this one to deepen down to the shadow and connect to the eye. Close to the root of the eyelashes and smudge. From the dizziness of the eyes to the upper corner of the eye. After sticking it to the eye, pull it to the end of the eye and throw it away. Stick it to the eyelashes, clamp the roots, and curl it up. Be patient for 10 seconds and brush the eyelashes with the eyelash base. Make sure every root. Badu. If you brush it completely, you should also brush the lower eyelashes. Paste the false eyelashes in the middle first. Adjust the end of the eye. Rear eye adjustment. Press with your finger to stick it tighter and fill it with this one. Fill the gap at the root of the eyelashes. The blade brush is pressed against the eyelids. To a short eyeliner that extends outward from the end of the eye. With this flower, my broken frame. And smudge the natural aegyo saliva. High vision. Light experience aegyo saliva and eye facelift. Dark double eyelid. Printing the double eyelids should not exceed the folds. Brighten your eyes and strap your nose. Eye brightening overall painting C. Material was in between. Brush the mascara with thick upper and lower eyelashes. I like a crunch. Sweep the blush up the cheekbones. The nose shadow also has some blush color. Bridge middle back of nose deepening blush pearlescent. Highlight. Brighten the whole thing again. I like it so much. Use this one to put a bottom lip liner on my mouth, which is not exposed. I am guilty. With your finger along the edge with a brush. My nails are dizzy. There will be more. Spot blood. Color living feeling randomly points 3 moles. The overall effect is about this by, there will be more later. Show.